Guys, I bought tickets to Disney World. Disney World, that's kind of gay. Honestly, gay, bro. Yeah, pretty gay. Bro, what's gay? Childish. The Disney World is never childish. They open a new ride every week. That's why it's childish. Aww. Then I spent my hard-earned money from killing humans. I'm just gonna check on Pikachu. That is not a screwdriver. Give me a damn screwdriver. I don't know what a screwdriver is. Me too. It's in my box. What box? In the toolbox, you idiot. Call me an idiot one more time and I'm gonna smack your head. Just fix this robot. Click the switch. Bad robot. Hey Pikachu, what are you doing? I'm just fixing my robot. What do you ask? Why do you sound like why do you sound pissed? Cause Splitpea doesn't know the difference between a screwdriver and a hammer. Oh. Okay, wanna go to Disney World with me? I'm busy. Aww. I'm just gonna check out your lab. Wait, don't touch any. Of course he's gonna touch something. Is this a screwdriver? You are not grabbing anything. I have no hands, dummy. I'm about to beat your ass. I don't want to beat ass. Let's do this, mate. Ah! What is this? It looks like a spray. Now, let me read the label. Okay, it says Zom spray. Ooh, I think it turns us into and just take off the lid. I think it turns us into zombie animatronics. I think so. I'm gonna test it on my friends. Reading label. Turns every single human being into a zombie when you spray it. Well, Hugs is about to die. Hey guys, I found the spray. I think that is a refreshener. It's not a refreshener. See, look. Let me just spray it. What's happening to him? Wait. Get away, get the sleeping body away. What's happening to him, guys? Why did you grab Hugs? Okay, Hugs, what did you grab? I grabbed a zombie spray. Of course that turns anyone. Ugh, you're an idiot. That turns anyone into a zombie, you idiot. What are we gonna do now? That's right, I'm gonna beat your ass again. Wait, do you have a spray? Wait, please don't do this. Please don't do this. Please. I woke up from concussion. What the? Wait, is that a spray? Beep bop, beep bop, beep beep. Beep, 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 beep. We built a super secure base. Wait, Purple's still sleeping. Not sleeping. What are you guys doing? Just get in the base quick. Okay. Bro, I see the zombie. Brains. Ah! Beep, bop, boop, beep. Ow, you hit my head. Ah, everyone duck. Brains. 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 The base is destroying. Brain. Oh! Brains. Oh! Oh! Brains. Brains. Ah! Run, buddies! Run! Wait, what is that? A spray? Zombie spray. That's why they're zombies. What's happening now? You just woke up after many? Oh crap! Brains! Ah! Brains! Ah! Brains! Oh, die, you stupid beast! Brains! Die! I ain't no sissy! Ah! Brains! Oh! Wait, he took it out? Oh crap! Brains! Oh frick! I'm running away! Brains! I woke up! Die! Die, you stupid! If the world needs a man, let's beat him ass. Wanna come out, beast? Die! Don't! Die! Oh, get off me! Get off! You stupid! Die! You don't! Die! Who is the winner? I'm the winner! Blue wins! I certainly advise you not to put up your media all the way up. If you want your ears to be destroyed, then put it all the way up. Your sound. But I'm frankly, this video is about to end, so I gotta milk the purple lore. Milking is the way. Milking is the